What's going on, guys? My name is Matt Pinella with MattBangsWood. I'm a 23-year-old carpenter out of Central California. We build new construction houses out here and document the process from start to finish. Now, I've been working with kids for quite some time, whether it be high school or college level. I have videos that are used in curriculums all over the United States and in other countries. So I wanted to make these videos right here to teach you guys a little bit more, but on a basic level. I'm here to help you guys out. So if you have any questions regarding literally anything with construction, please drop a comment down below. I'd be happy to help you out. Today I want to talk you guys through the basic steps of rolling up an air hose. This might sound ridiculous, but I cannot tell you how many kids we've hired and they show up and they don't know how to roll up an air hose, or they don't know how to roll up a cord. It's the same process for either one of them. Today I'm going to talk you guys through the steps of that. Once you know how to do it, you'll never forget, and it'll be the easiest thing you've ever done. But until you do it for the first time, it might sound confusing. Now you're going to grab the end of your air hose. Make sure the thing is strung out as far as you can and fairly straight. If it has any knots, take them out prior to rolling up your air hose. So you're going to take your air hose, grab your other hand, make your first loop. That loop is what you're going to match every single time. Once you have your first loop, you're going to grab from the back side here, pull it up to make your second loop, but you can see it's kind of off. You're going to want to twist it in your hand. You can see how it kind of just rolled over towards the other one. It's good to go. And you're going to repeat that process. Little twist, and it should lay in itself pretty good. Now the next thing, you don't want to walk towards your air hose, you want to pull it back towards you to where it straightens itself out as it comes to you. But you can see right here it's not exactly working out for us. We're going to go ahead and twist it, and there it goes. And whatever way you roll up your hose, you're going to twist inwards towards your other hand, and that's going to make it to where everything straightens out and goes in the loops that you're after. But like I said though, you want to pull the air hose to you to where it works out any kinks that it's got or any twists. If you walk towards it, it's going to keep those twists and make it a mess once it's rolled up. We call that a rat's nest. But you can see just how easy it works out as soon as you give it that twist. It just falls into place. You're going to repeat that process over and over, and as you do it more, it'll get easier and easier. You want to try to keep these loops the same size. That way you don't have a couple big ones and a couple small ones. We're going to roll it up all the way till we're at the end. Just like that, you've rolled up your air hose, you're good to go. Me personally, I just throw these in the back of the truck, pull them out the next day, and you're ready to go. Now when it comes time to rolling the thing out, whatever end you're wanting to put in, whether you're plugging in or you're plugging in a gun, you're going to want to set that end down, and now you're going to walk. You're going to walk this thing out. And just as easy as it went together, you're now back to step one. Quick little tip as well, do not plug in an air hose if you have not rolled it out yet. You want to roll that air hose out, get it as straight as possible, get yourself rooted to wherever you're planning on going to, and then plug in your air hose. I cannot tell you how many times I have seen people plug in air hoses while they're still bunched up in their hand, and as soon as you do that, air is pushing through those lines. It will find its way into a knot. It will not be easy to get it undone. Don't plug in your air hoses until they're rolled out. But it's as easy as that, guys. It's that simple little twist, and sometimes it's just the turn of a finger. Sometimes you just have to roll it. Just like that. Air hoses take absolutely no time to roll up, and once you've got it down, you shouldn't even need to pay attention. It's just muscle memory. But it's little things like this that you're not going to learn until you do it on a job site quite a bit. So I'm here to help you guys. Anything that you want to know, anything that you guys want to learn, as basic as it can get, I'm all for it. But just like that, we're back to it. Follow along with this playlist. I'm going to have a super basic how-to for all kinds of different things, from rolling up an air hose to using a nail gun to using a saw. We're going to go over all the basics to get you guys set up to be on site. Hope you guys learned something from this. If you didn't know how to roll up an air hose, if you want to store this thing, you can zip tie it, you can use tape. They sell little attachments for the end of the hose here that allow you to tie it up and keep it tight that way. Me personally, I just throw this in the back of the truck, take it out the next day, and go to work. Now if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more little tips and tricks like this, hit the subscribe button down below. Join one of the best building channels here on YouTube. I'm going to go over a ton of different basics in this playlist right here, so don't miss it. I'll see you guys next time. Bang on.